Welcome to the ultimate guide to Trezor Suite, the secure and intuitive software for managing your cryptocurrency. Trezor Suite is designed to seamlessly integrate with Trezor hardware wallets, providing a robust and user-friendly interface to protect your digital assets while giving you full control. To get started, head over to the Trezor Suite homepage. Once there, you'll find a clean and intuitive dashboard where you can easily navigate the features that matter most to you. Trezor Suite supports various cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a host of ERC20 tokens, making it a versatile choice for diverse portfolios. The first step is setting up your Trezor hardware wallet. Connect your device, and Trezor Suite will guide you through the initialization process. You'll create a secure PIN and generate a recovery seed phrase. It's crucial to store your seed phrase in a safe and offline location, as this is the key to recovering your funds in case your device is lost or damaged. After setup, the dashboard becomes your control center. You can view your portfolio's overall performance, access real-time price updates, and manage transactions. Sending and receiving cryptocurrency is straightforward. Select the asset, enter the recipient's address, and confirm the transaction via your Trezor device. This dual-layer security ensures your funds remain safe from online threats. Trezor Suite also provides advanced security features. The device integrates with encrypted passphrase, and you can use it alongside Tor to enhance privacy during online transactions. For traders and investors, the built-in Exchange tab allows you to swap cryptocurrencies directly from your wallet, eliminating the need for external platforms. AD integration. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Additionally, the app's open source nature means it undergoes continuous scrutiny and improvement, ensuring transparency and reliability. With a sleek, minimalist design and robust functionality, Trezor Suite makes managing cryptocurrencies an effortless experience. Ready to take control of your digital assets? Click the link in the description to sign up and explore Trezor Suite today. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more insightful crypto tutorials and hit the like button to support our work.